In 1969, a Texas woman named Norma McCorvey, using the pseudonym Jane Roe, challenged Texas abortion laws, which banned abortion except to save the mother's life. Henry Wade was the Dallas County District Attorney defending the law. Roe argued that the law violated her constitutional right to privacy. In a 7-2 decision in 1973, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Roe. The court held that the right to privacy under the 14th Amendment includes a woman's decision to have an abortion. But it wasn't unlimited. The court created the Trimester framework. First trimester, states could not regulate abortion. Second trimester, states could regulate to protect maternal health. Third trimester, states could ban abortion except to save the mother's life. Roe v. Wade remained controversial. In 1992, Planned Parenthood v. Casey modified the trimester rule but upheld the core right. Then in 2022, the case Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization overturned Roe entirely. The Supreme Court ruled that the Constitution does not guarantee a right to abortion, returning the issue to state governments. As of 2024, abortion laws vary widely by state. Some states protect abortion rights. Others ban it entirely or after early gestational limits. This patchwork means access now depends largely on where you live. Roe v. Wade remains one of the most impactful Supreme Court cases in modern history, shaping law, politics, and personal rights for generations. Important: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute current laws and consult a legal law. If you found this helpful, healthcare professional for guidance. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily legal explainers. Next up, Miranda Rights Explained. Thanks for watching.